desire, spend my time. Tell me that you're always gonna be in my life. Spirit desire, spend my time. Tell me that you're always gonna be in my life. Not bored at all. You can call me when you wanna call. Oh, I'm not bored at all. You can call me when you wanna call. What's up, guys? Today we're doing Spirit Desire by Tiger's Jaw. Great song, great band. This is the acoustic version, so it's not going to sound like the recording, but whenever they play it live on the acoustic, this is exactly what they play. So it's authentic, and I think it sounds pretty good. So it's not too hard to play. The strumming pattern is a little weird. There's just a couple chords, and the one thing is that we are in a drop tuning. It's not bad at all. It's just every string down 1/2 step. Okay, so if you don't know what that means, just get your guitar tuner or whatever tuner app you use. Tune every string down 10 cents. And you can pop them right back when you're done playing. It's not bad at all. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the song is basically just one chord progression on loop, with the exception of the part where he sings, "I'm not bored at all." And that's when they switch it up a little bit. So there's two chord progressions, but one of them is the main one. So we'll start with that. So I'll play it super slowly, and then we'll talk about it. This is actually how the song starts. And that's the loop. You just do that over and over again. So this first chord right here, speaking in standard tuning terms, has an F sharp as the bass. So we have our middle finger on the second fret of the first string, and then ring and pinky on the fourth and fifth string, second fret. Okay, and the strumming pattern here is a little, it's not hard, but the rhythm's a little different than usual. So if you're not used to it, it might take a day or two to get into it, especially if you're going to sing on top of this. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It helps if you tap your foot with it or something too. Okay, so that's the pattern. That's the first chord. So you do that for two patterns. Then you take your pinky finger off, and you do it again. Okay, then you move your middle finger back to the third string. Now you're doing this chord, which is an A of sorts. And then you put your pointer finger on the fourth string from the top, first fret. So it's important that you don't take your middle finger off and you hear the open note. So you can even put your pointer finger back here ready for when you take it off. Okay, so it's... So that's it. It's just two strumming patterns on each of those. And that's the loop. That's literally most of the song where it goes. Waiting for the sun, I know it'll come. I feel reborn when you touch my arm. Okay, and the same part when you do Spirit Desire, it's the same progression. Spirit desire, spend my time. Tell me that you're always gonna be in my life. Okay, cool. Practice that. Now, the only exception here, the new chord progression, is when he goes, "I'm not bored at all." So the first one ends right here, right? Okay, to transition into the new progression, we go to an A chord. So let me play the new progression for you, and then we'll talk about it. Not bored at all. You can call me if you wanna call. Not bored at all. You can call me if you wanna call. Okay, so you go from this chord, right, to an A. So it's a full A. We have our middle, ring, and pinky on the third, fourth, and fifth string, second fret. And you're gonna do that for 2 strums. And you're gonna pull your pinky off. Do it for 2 strums. And then move your middle finger out here for that first chord that we do. So it's for 2 strums again. Take your pinky off. Another 2. And a restart. So it's just A, pinky off, F, A, pinky off. So the second progression ends on this. And then to switch back to that first progression, you just put your pinky back down and start over. Okay? If you're on that first progression, you're trying to switch to the second, you go to the A. Okay? Pretty simple. As for the arrangement of the song, now that you have those 2 progressions down, you can choose what verses and choruses you want to sing and how many times you want to sing them. In the live acoustic version, they do a different kind of, the lyrics are a little different. So really do what you want here. You have all the tools you need. That's it. So hopefully I added some value to your day. If I did, drop me a like. If you're into this type of music, underground stuff, subscribe. If you have a suggestion, comment. I will do it eventually. And yeah, have a great day.